Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make alternating single crochet spike. This is a very dense pattern and you can make good vests, you can make pot holders, washcloths or bags, purses with this pattern. Before going to the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on the video. So at first take your yarn and make a slip knot. Now make an even number of chains. So the foundation chain is now done. I'm going to work on row 1. So on the second chain from the hook, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. And throughout this whole row, I'm going to make 1 single crochet on each of the chains. This is how I'm going to make my row 1. So I have completed my row 1. Now for the second row, I am making a turning chain and turning my work and making 1 single crochet on the first single crochet. Now I am inserting the hook below the next single crochet of the first row. Below the next single crochet of the first row, pull up a loop and making a single crochet. On the next stitch, I am going to make a single crochet. And again I'm on the next stitch I'm going to insert the hook below the single crochet of the row 1, pulling up a loop and making a single crochet. This is how I'm going to make my second row. So I have completed the second row. So this is how the work looks after you have completed your second row. Now I'm making a turning chain and turning my work. On the first stitch I am making a single crochet, and also on the second stitch I'm going to make a single crochet. And now I'm inserting my hook below the single crochet, third single crochet of the second row. This is called the spike stitch. When I'm inserting my hook below the single crochet of the previous row, this is called the spike. So here I'm going to make a spike. On the next stitch I'm going to make a single crochet. On the next stitch I'm making a spike single crochet stitch. So on one stitch I'm making a single crochet, and on the second stitch I am making a spike stitch, a spike single crochet. So this is how the alternating texture comes. On one stitch there is a single crochet, and on the next stitch there is a spike stitch. So the third row is also complete, and now I'm going to make my fourth row. So for the fourth row, at first I'm going to make a turning chain, turn my work, and make one single crochet on the first stitch. This is going to be exactly the same work that I had done while doing the second row. Now I have made one spike on the third stitch and one single crochet on the next stitch. One spike and one single crochet. So this row is going to be exactly the same as the second row. So the entire pattern is going to be the repetition of row 2 and 3. 2, 3, 2, 3. In this way you can repeat these two rows and make the work to your desired length. So this is how the final work looks like. This is a very dense pattern. This will be very suitable for making warm vests, and you can also make dishcloths. You can also make thick pot holders with this pattern. You can make purses, you can make crossbody bags with this pattern. So I hope you will subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share my video and inspire me to grow my channel. So this is all for today. I hope to see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Goodbye.